Hi everybody, I can officially say welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have another unboxing. I have quite a few of them I've been saving up just for when I had the time, the opportunity, and the, I don't know, I guess the courage to do videos. So today's I have actually 2 boxes from Addict. Now this is an $18.99 a month subscription. And the second box that I have is actually their fall box, which is their limited edition fall add-on box, basically, where you get a few different products that are not in your Addict box. So we'll get down to it. And this first one that I have is the fall box. Now, this is, it's 4 items and it was $15. So, the first item I'm finding in here, it's a makeup brush. Now there is no card in here to tell me what everything is, so we'll just take a peek and look. It's kind of an odd, I don't know if you can really see it, shape to it. So it's kind of like an angular, maybe for doing in your crease. It's pretty stiff as well. So I don't know, maybe not my favorite makeup brush in the world, but I'll add it to my collection and we'll see how it goes. Okay, the next item in the fall box, it says right on here, fall. I'm not a fan of fall, so I only like one season. That season is summer and it's ending and fall makes me sad. So anyway, here we go. Here is the next item, and this is the Oakland 16 color shadow palette. Now I don't have a price or any descriptions of these, so I can't tell you what this is worth. It does have some very pretty fall shades in there. There are some mattes, some shimmers. Pretty decent. I'm not sure how this will perform. I'm not going to swatch it because I am going to put this in a future giveaway. It's very pretty, but I have too many palettes with these kind of shades in it to where I just don't feel like I would get the best usage out of it, and I think that passing it along to somebody else is a better option. So I'll pop that up in my giveaway pile. And the next thing I have here, it is another little, looks like palette, and it is by Beauty Creations, and it is called Splash of Love. I know what this is because I did receive it in my box 2 months ago. So this is something that I'm going to pass along to someone else because it is not for me. But it is a very, very, very warm tone, sparkly glitter palette. And this, although pretty, is just not my cup of tea. So we'll pass that along to somebody that hopefully can get some better use out of it. And the next item in the box is a 2-step sheet mask. So this is vitamin A sheet mask. It has a step 1 toner, step 2 is your face mask. It doesn't say a whole lot about it. It's supposed to give you protection and vitality though, so I guess those are 2 good things. But this is something that's going to go along with those other items in a future giveaway. Now, I am new here on YouTube. I'm still kind of getting used to how to do videos, what to do, what to say. It's probably going to take a while before I get some subscribers. I don't have a fancy camera yet. I don't have fancy editing software. I'm just using iMovie and my iPhone right now. And hopefully that can tide me over until this takes off. Okay, anyway, the second box, it is in the same box. It's the Addict. And open her up, and the first thing that I see here I don't see a card, but what I do see is by Flaunt Beauty. And they are magnetic faux mink lashes with a magnetic liner. I'm gonna pop this open and just see what exactly it looks like inside. Okay, so you get the lashes, and then it has the magnetic liner down here. I have tried magnetic lashes in the past. They were from a different brand and they did not work for me. I was a little sad, a little disappointed by it, but I have not mastered the art of putting on false lashes yet. So we will, we'll see where this goes. Hopefully I can do it. And then the next thing goes along with it, I guess. This is Eye Beauty, and this is a lash applicator. So put them on through your glasses, Danny. That's really smart. So yeah, you can just apply the glasses, or apply the lashes with this little applicator. Boop. Hopefully it just makes it easy as pie, right? Well, with me and my lack of coordination, I'm gonna guess that that's not gonna be the case. But the next item, I feel like I'm on The Price is Right. The next item up for bids. No, it's not up for bids. It's the next item in the box. And this is, it's cute. It's a brush cleansing pad. It's got a little suction-y guy on the bottom here so you can plop it in your sink and then use it to clean your makeup brushes, because I'm sure we all just don't do that enough. But it's cute. I've got a brush cleaner in my box from them a couple months ago that I can use to work with that. We'll keep that guy. The next thing in the box, and this is from Steve Lauren. Okay. And it is a lip oil. Laurent. And it's just a nice sheer pink lip oil. I don't think I need to swatch it because, well, probably won't do anything if I do. Let's be honest, it's just gonna look like some glistening oil on my hand. All right, the last thing in this cute little box is, dun, dun, dun. Actually quite surprised by this, and in $19 box. But it is the Aesthetica contour series. It's a contour palette from Aesthetica. Oh, that's cute. It comes with a little how to do your contour pamphlet. So, you know, you don't look super crazy. And it's broken. Yeah, I can't really show you because the lightest of the shades is completely smashed in there. So, actually 2 of the shades are. Yeah, maybe I'll be contacting Glow Addict and letting them know that my contour palette is broken. That's unfortunate. But these pans are magnetic and they come out really easily. So I usually don't use the highlighting shades as it is. Maybe I'll just pop those out and put them in a different palette. But yeah, I'm a little upset about that. Anyway, I'm not gonna swatch it for you because it's broke. But this would, it would actually suit all skin tones pretty well. The bronzer shades look like they're a little dark for me. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm a little disappointed. But anyway, I mean, as far as an $18 box goes, they did a very good job curating it, and I'm very impressed with the products that they put in it this month. If you like my videos, if you like unboxings, I'm gonna start a little series coming up here of a Get Ready With Me. Don't be afraid, subscribe. I promise I'm gonna get a little better at this. Might take me a little while, but yeah, thanks a lot. Have a great day.